What if a fortune teller gave you the winning lottery numbers 30 years in advance? Would you still manage to lose it all? Meet William Bud Post, a man who won $16, $2 million and lost everything. Meet William Bud Post, a man in his mid-40s with a rough beard and a worn-out denim jacket, who had been struggling to make ends meet. Bud had visited a fortune teller 30 years prior, who gave him the winning lottery numbers. He had forgotten about it until the day he decided to play the lottery. This is called the Zeigarnik effect. Our brains tend to remember uncompleted tasks or unresolved issues. In this case, the fortune teller's numbers had been stuck in Bud's head for 30 years. Bud won the lottery and initially thought his life would change for the better. However, he soon found himself dealing with relatives and friends asking for money. This is an example of social inflation, when our social circles' expectations and demands increase with our wealth. It can be difficult to manage these relationships and set boundaries. Bud's life began to spiral out of control. He made poor investment decisions, and his relationships with his family and friends deteriorated. This is a classic case of sudden wealth syndrome, when a large influx of wealth leads to impulsive decisions and a lack of financial planning. It can be devastating to one's life and relationships. In the end, Bud lost everything: his wealth, his relationships, and his health. His story serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of sudden wealth and the importance of managing our finances and relationships wisely. Sudden wealth can be a curse if not managed properly. It's essential to be aware of the psychological pitfalls that come with it, such as social inflation and sudden wealth syndrome, and to take steps to protect our relationships and finances. Subscribe to our channel for more stories about the psychology of money and how to manage your finances wisely.